So Fortnite and Epic Games are going in on Apple. They're going in and they're going in hard. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. To catch you guys up to speed on what started this or how this all started, Fortnite is one of the most popular games available. They were available on most of the platforms up till about a week ago. And Fortnite has an in-game currency called V-Bucks, and within Fortnite you can purchase V-Bucks either through Apple or through Google Play, and Apple and Google get a certain percentage. What Fortnite did, they pushed an update, and this update kind of undercut the percent that Apple's taken. So they sent an update and gave you two purchasing options where you can go ahead and purchase directly. I believe 1,000 V-Bucks for $7 versus the $10 that it will cost on Apple. So when Apple saw this, said that Fortnite essentially violated their store rules and kicked them out of the App Store. Shortly after that, Google followed suit, and Fortnite is now removed from Google Play as well. So I did videos on those. I also did a video showing you guys how to install it on Google. Fortunately on Apple, you won't be able to install it. But if you have it installed on Apple, you should still be able to play it, but you won't be able to update it as the new seasons come out. So that's where we are. However, Fortnite sends an email, I guess, to anyone that's registered with Epic Games, and they're essentially having an event. All of your friends, awesome prizes, and no bad apples. So these are the final days for the Fortnite community's ability to play together. Apple has blocked Fortnite from the App Store, so not all iPhones, iPads players will be able to play together after Chapter 2. So Season 4 will be launched on August 27. So time to drop in for one last victory royale. And notice the bad apple bad apple play on words, but when you click on that, it brings you to the actual event. And just to have this in a nutshell, what they're doing, they're having a tournament, and the prices will be all anti-Apple. So you can see some of the prizes here: 1,200 pieces of gaming hardware, phones, consoles, PC. Just because you can't play on iOS doesn't mean that there aren't other awesome places to play Fortnite. So basically just saying, hey Apple, we don't really need you. Plenty other ways to play Fortnite, and we're gonna host this event. We're gonna give away devices. Let's just show everyone that, hey, you can play Fortnite anywhere. It doesn't need to be on your iPhone. Here's some of the prizes: Alienware laptop, gaming laptop, Samsung, OnePlus 8, PlayStation, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. That's pretty funny, I think. Not sure if you guys are big into gaming. Let me know which side of this debate you're on. Last video I released, some people were saying that Apple was really within their right to essentially kick them out of the Play Store because they violated those terms. On the other hand, some people were saying that Apple's just one of those companies that they have a monopoly, unfair business practices, they take too large of a cut, and something like this needs to happen. So definitely interested to know what you guys think of this beef, this feud between Apple and Fortnite. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you play Fortnite, what device you're playing on. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.